The overall goal of these procedures is to non-invasively visualize the microcirculation using capillaroscopy and assess endothelial function with plethysmography. Using capillaroscopy, this is accomplished by first inducing post-occlusive reactive hyperemia on the subject's arm. Next, images are taken to identify all functionally perfused capillaries. Then, using plethysmography, a strain gauge is wrapped around the subject's forearm and plethysmography measurements of forearm blood flow are recorded. Ultimately, results can be obtained non-invasively that show capillary density through direct visualization by capillaroscopy and endothelial function through post-reactive hyperemia strain gauge plethysmography.
The main advantage of this technique over existing methods, like video capillaroscopy and invasive plethysmography, is that it is less expensive and non-invasive. Assisting me in demonstrating the procedure will be Naja Fouché, my research coordinator from my laboratory.
Nail-fold capillaries in the dorsal skin of the third finger are visualized using a stereo microscope that uses 250-watt halogen fiber optic lamp illumination, a 3.2x objective, and is linked to a 4-megapixel Spot Insight monochrome digital camera and a laptop computer with the Spot imaging software. To carry out the capillaroscopy technique, following a minimum 10-hour overnight fast and 20 minutes of seated rest, seat the subject in a temperature-controlled room and have them raise their left hand to heart level. To limit movement, have the patient rest their left hand and forearm on a folded blanket at the base of the microscope and use a second covered blanket to loosely cover the forearm and hand.